Okay, this problem says the rate of change dp/dt of the number of people on an ocean beach is modeled by a logistic differential equation. The maximum number of people allowed on the beach is 1,200. At 10 a.m., the number of people on the beach is 200 and is increasing at a rate of 400 people per hour. Which of the following differential equations describes the situation? All right, so first, because it's a logistic, it should follow this form. dp/dt is equal to k times p m minus p, where m is the carrying capacity and k is some constant. So they told us the carrying capacity in this problem because they told us the maximum number of people allowed on the beach is 1,200. That doesn't really help us with the answer choices because they all have the 1,200 in the right spot. We can note that B can't be right because it's not following it's missing the P, right, after the K. And then the A is out too because that plus 200 is not part of the form. So that brings us to these three choices. Notice they only differ by the constant. And so how do we know which one it is? It's this information here that says that at 10 a.m. the number of people on the beach is 200 and is increasing at a rate of 400. So if we turn that into calculus language, it says that increasing at a rate of 400 people per hour, that means dp/dt is apparently 400 when, and now this is when the number of people on the beach is 200, so that's when p equals 200. And so what we got to do is we got to plug in 200 for p into each of these and see which one of them gives out 400. So we'll start with C. So dp/dt, so that would be 400. So we're just kind of testing here. Again, if your arithmetic's good, you can do this quickly. But this would be 1 over 500, and then our p is 200, and then k minus p, or 1,200 minus p rather, is 1,000. Actually, that's going to be true for all of these. So if this isn't the case, we might as well just put 1,000. If it's not C, we might as well just put 1,000 in that spot. Save us a step or something. All right, 1,000 divided by 500 is 2 times 200 is 400. Okay, so we happened on the right answer on our first choice, which is great. But just notice if it was wrong, you'd keep plugging in and testing the other ones.